It's good to be home. So today we're going to take a look at 8735F Chandler Way in South Bay Lakes. And if you had seen my video of this condo previously from when it was an estate sale, you were going to be shocked. This place has been completely remodeled. Top to bottom, and when I say top to bottom, I mean top to bottom. The ceilings have been scraped down and are smooth now, no more popcorn ceilings. It's got new everything. New floors, new light fixtures, new cabinets, new countertops. Look at this classic wood. It's got character. Granite, stainless steel appliances. Everything's new. New light fixtures. Fresh paint. Look how pretty this is. I mean, wow. It is a different condo. So just great 3-bedroom, 2-bath, completely remodeled. Love the floors. Look at this door. It goes right here into the laundry room. New LED lights. You've got this LVP flooring throughout it. This is great LVP. You've added a picture to cover up the panel for the breaker box. Again, scrape down all the popcorn ceilings off. New registers, new doors, new hardware, new ceiling fans, new windows, new everything, new vanities. Great vanity here, new toilets, tub's the same. New exhaust fans, same old Jay, and there's me, hi. Light fixtures, I mean, this place is, look at this. It's got a cover for the HVAC air return now. Just absolutely gorgeous. It's like a brand new condo. There is not another one that's this nice in the entire development. It is drop dead gorgeous. Master bedroom here, lots of natural light. I love the big windows. Brand new vanity here. I mean, this place is great. So this is 8735F Chandler Way in South Bay Lakes. It has been completely refurbished, remodeled, redone. Everything's new. It is a gorgeous 3-bedroom, 2-bath condo right in the middle of everything. For more information, give me a call. My name's Jay Bonnoitt with Century 21 Boling. Of course, all my contact information is written right below in the YouTube comment section. But my number is 843-222-9135. Thanks for watching. You've got to come see this place in person before it's gone. This is a great buy for somebody.